So, third assignment, question 1. Sophie has just left university. Oops. How did that happen? Sophie has just, let's do something down. Sophie has just left university and started, way too dark, to work where she earns $48,000 a year. Her employers also make a contribution of $380 per month might be important, into her superannuation fund. So into might be important, and superannuation. So whenever you read superannuation, you know that it is annuities. Okay, annuities. Oh dear, that's really annoying. Annuities. And into means usually into something, so it's annuities in advance, which pays a nominal interest rate, that might be important, of 6.5% per annum with interest compounding monthly. Now that's our K. Now look, I still haven't read the question, but I get quite a bit of things out of here. So K happens to be 12 because it is monthly. Okay, there we go. So there's monthly. Now the first question, if Sophie stayed in the same job for 20 years, now that seems to be important again. 20 years, and her employer continues to pay the same contribution each month, so there's month again. Use an appropriate formula to determine how much she will have in the fund. So what I like to do with these questions, and because it's an assignment, I just do two things here. So first of all, N, and that should be 20 years, it says here 20 years and times 12. And then we do our interest rate as a percentage, which in our case is 6.5%. And the present value is 0. We haven't started yet, but we do, well, the employer makes regular payments of $380. The future value is the big question, the question that we don't know. So that's the big question, and then we have our installments per year, which in our case equal the compounding of the bank per year, and it's monthly. That's our K. And remember that these two belong together, not necessarily this bit, but the P over Y and the N. So then I use my calculator. Oops, one more thing I've forgotten. It's really important that you do put in here begin. Okay, so that shows the examiner that you understand your class pad. Now let's bring that to the side here and type all those information in. Begin, fine. You got 20 times 12, great. 6.5, great. We have nothing to start with. The employer makes $380 payments per month. We don't know what that is, and 12 is good. So now all we have to do now is solve for the future value. Ooh, that seems to be $187,000. No, that's not great, is it? And there it is, happen again. No, that's really annoying. Now let's try that again. So what are we up to? Here we go, and there we go. Ah, the other one was better. 187, 369, 40. 187, 369, 40. Okay, so that's our answer using the graphics calculator. And all we need to do now is we need to find a formula. On your formula sheet, you will find a formula that has the heading annuities in advance, which is the same as the future value equals over I. So regular payment 1 plus I, 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1 over I. Now let's put all our details in there. So the regular payment is $380. Then 1 plus, it's the interest rate per period. So it's divided by 12, and the same here. 6.5%, as it says in there. We divide that by 12 because we only want to know what it is per month and not for the whole year. And 20 times 12 should be 240 to the power of 240. We take 1 away. That take 1 away, if you ever wondered why that is, it's because when we make our payment, that last payment hasn't accumulated any interest yet. Well, we need to wait for another month. So we make a payment at the beginning of the month and we get the payout for the previous month interest. So this is why we're doing -1. And the bracket there again. Let's use our graphics calculator in main. Bring that over here. Keyboard, we want a fraction, then 380. Brackets 1 plus 0.065 is a decimal of 6.5% interest rate per annum plus, and I know this is tedious, but sometimes they want to see that you understand algebra. So let's just play along and be nice. -1, and at the bottom we do the same thing again. 0.065 over 12. Execute. Here we go again. So 187,369.40. 187,369 and 40 cents. Okay, and that's our final answer, and it happens to be the same as it is for the graphics calculator. In an exam situation I wouldn't do that, but here we can, and that is it.